Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to group variant images for a product in the Enterprise theme on Shopify. Let's get started. First, we need to arrange our product images in the correct order. Head to your Shopify admin, go to your product, and simply drag and drop the images to make sure they're in the right sequence. This helps Shopify know which image belongs to which variant. Next, copy the title of the variant option you want to work with. You'll need this to assign images to specific variants later. Now open your Shopify theme editor and select the product page you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, click on the Product section from the left panel. Scroll down until you see the Multiple Variant Images settings. Make sure to check the box that says Show Media only associated with the selected variant. This ensures that the images change based on the selected variant. Now in the Variant Option label field, paste the variant option title you copied earlier. This links the correct images to the variant. Finally, assign the first image of each material or option to the corresponding variant. For example, assign the first image of the sterling silver necklace to the sterling silver variant. Before we reload the page, you'll see that the images are not yet grouped by variant. Once we hit reload, everything is grouped correctly. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you need more tips on working with the Enterprise theme, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.